guys, Jeannie here, and welcome back to my channel. And it is another Sunday. It is another start of the Target couponing week. So let's go ahead and get into the deals, and let's all reset from last week. So if you guys had a bad week or things just didn't go your way, today's the day just to restart. Give yourself grace this week and just try to make this week a great one, because it's the week of love. It's Valentine's Day. So let's just share the love. Let's get into Target, because I love me some Target. All right, you guys, so we have a really good deal on apparel. This is for men, women's, and kids. So when you spend $40 or more, you're going to be able to take $10 off. So you can find this coupon inside the Target app, or you can get it through the ad. And what's great about this is it doesn't exclude clearance. So you could get a bunch of clearance clothes up to $40, then take $10 off. So this is awesome. And I'm going to share with you guys some items that I picked up. I picked up this tee from Universal Threads. I thought this was really, really cute. So this is priced for $8. And then I picked up these two like button-down blouses. So I have this one right here and this light blue one with the stripes. And the Universal Threads line does a really good job at mimicking some of the Madewell items. So I'm really excited to pick those up, because Madewell is my favorite store, but the prices are so incredibly expensive. So again, spend $40 or more in clothing for men, women's, and kids. All right, you guys, so we have a really nice deal in the baby department. So this is on diapers, training pants, and baby wipes. So when you spend $75 or more, you're going to get a $15 Target gift card. So I always suggest you guys do the Up and Up brand. So what you want to do is buy 3 of the giant boxes of diapers. So buy 3 of them for $65.95. And then let's go ahead and add some wipes into this as well. Okay, so then let's add the 736 count of Up and Up brand wipes. So now you're at $78.86, and then you're going to get that $15 Target gift card back, making it $63.86 for everything that I mentioned, which is a great deal. But if you're a brand loyal to Huggies and like pull-ups and the Huggies wipes, I'll have some printables linked below if you guys want to go ahead and print those, because we have $1 off ones for the Huggies diapers, as well as the pull-ups, and a 50-cent off one for the wipes. Alright guys, so we have a really good deal on the Dove Baby Bar Soap. So all of the Dove Baby line is buy 3 and get a $5 Target gift card, but what's great is the bar soaps are included. So you want to buy 3 of them. They're priced for $2.49 each, so buy 3 of them for $7.47. You're going to get that $5 Target gift card back, making them 82 cents each. So this is a really great deal, and definitely something to stock up on if you are expecting a baby or if you have a baby shower coming up. So great deal. Okay guys, so we have a spend $50, you get $10 back in baby toys. So all you need to do is spend $50 or more, and then you're going to be able to get $10 Target gift card back. So any baby toys that you see, you could also do this online. So we have a really good deal for Gerber. So this is the food and formula. So if you guys still have those printable $5 off one coupons, definitely use it here. They are no longer available to print, but if you still have those, definitely use them. And then we have some other printable coupons from coupons.com that I'll have linked below. So we have a $1 off 4 of the organic pouches or jars. We also have a $1 off 6 of the regular baby foods, and then there is a $1 off 4 any Gerber snack items. So just mix and match with whatever you want, and it's spend $40 and get a $10 Target gift card. So this is a really great deal, and again, I'll have those coupons linked below for you guys. Hey you guys, so we have a really good deal in the book, movie, and video game section. So when you buy 2, you're going to get the 3rd for free, and it's on everything. So I'm going to share with you guys, you could go ahead and pick up some of these Dr. Seuss books. So they're priced $3.50 each. So you could buy 2 of them for $7 and then get the 3rd for free. So you'd be able to get 3 books for $7. So I think that's a really good deal. So again, just come to Target and pick out whatever books you want. Perfect for Valentine's Day. Alright you guys, so we have a really nice Target cartwheel for some Wilton baking items. So I'm just going to pull it up right here. So if you go into your Target cartwheel app, there is a 50% off cartwheel for the Wilton red icing decorating pouches. So these are going to be $1.75 after that 50% off cartwheel. So this is a really great deal, especially just in time for cookie decorating for Valentine's Day. Alright you guys, so we have a deal on the 1850 bag coffees. So there is a 30% off cartwheel, but it ends today, so hopefully you guys get here in time. And there's a printable $1.50 off one coupon. So when you combine the cartwheel and the coupon, it comes out to $3.05. I will have a printable list for you guys so you can follow along. Alright, so if you favor the Archer Farms coffee, they are priced for $4.99 on sale, so you save $1 with their sale, but there is no cartwheel to go along with it. But if you like Archer Farms coffee, $4.99 is not a bad price for it. Okay, you guys, so we have a good deal on the Betty Crocker cakes, a perfect time to make some cupcakes for Valentine's Day. So the boxed cake mix, these are priced for 10 for $10 or $1 each, and then the frosting to go along with it are 2 for $3 or $1.50 each, so you get both of them for $2.50. So the sliced cheese by Market Pantry, these are priced 5 for $10 or $2 each, along with the shredded bags of cheese. They are 5 for $10, so $2 each here. Okay, so the Holy Guacamole minis, these are priced for $3.49, and we have a printable 75-cent off one coupon you can go ahead and use. Okay, so the final cost with that 75-cent off one coupon is $2.74. So we start at $3.99 down to $2.74. So my next deal is going to be on the small bag of Tide Pods. So these are priced for $4.99 here at Target. There's a 10% off Target cartwheel you guys can use, and there is a printable $3 off one coupon you can print from pngeveryday.com, but you have to use it the same day you print it. So final cost is $1.49 when you combine that coupon and the 10% cartwheel. Okay, you guys, so we have new items from Physicians Formula in stock here at Target. So I have a few items that I'm going to go ahead and recommend to you guys. First is the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Eyeshadow. So Target has these priced for $7.95, and in today's Smart Source we got a $3 off one coupon. So that's going to drop this down to $4.95. I'm actually wearing the Physicians Formula eyeshadow on my eyes today, as well as the Healthy Powder. So the Healthy Powder is priced for $13.99. And with that $3 off one coupon, final cost is going to be $10.99. So there are tons of items here that you can try over at Target, and they're less expensive than CVS. If you don't have a CVS, head to Target, use this coupon, and get some great deals for Physicians Formula. I have a testing new Physicians Formula video that I will leave linked below if you guys want to see some suggestions and my recommendations. Okay, you guys, so the CoverGirl Exhibition Mascara, these are priced for $7.99 here at Target, and there's a printable $3 off one coupon you can go ahead and print, so it makes it $4.99. I highly recommend this mascara. I have it on today, so I would highly recommend you guys try this out. It is really good mascara. Alright, you guys, so I have some L'Oreal deals to share with you guys. So the L'Oreal Elvive hair masks, these are priced for $1.99, and they are part of a buy 4 get a $5 Target gift card. So you can buy 4 of them for $7.96. Then you get back that $5 Target gift card, making it $2.96, or just 74 cents each. So that is a really nice deal right there. Deal you could do is on the L'Oreal shampoo or conditioner. So what you want to do is buy 4 of them for $15.96. And then we have 3 off 2 coupons you can go ahead and print from coupons.com. I'll have them linked below in the printable breakdown. So you can take $6 off in coupons, and then you get that $5 Target gift card back, making all 4 just $4.96, or just $1.24 each. Okay, you guys, so you commented last week that you really enjoyed the pet deals, specifically the cat deals. So I'm going to start bringing you guys more pet deals. So the Friskies Meow Mix bag food, this is the 48 ounce, so the 3-pound bag. It is priced for $3.39, and there is a printable $1 off one coupon that you can go ahead and use, so it drops it down to $2.39. So not a bad deal for some cat food. Okay, so another deal you could do is on the Friskies cat treats. So these are priced for $1.59, and there is a 55-cent off one coupon that you can go ahead and print. And again, I'll have these linked below. So it makes it $1.04. So really nice deal for some cat treats. So these are all the deals I have to share with you guys this week here at Target. So I will have a printable list for you guys, so you can go ahead and follow along. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you are new, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.